Hi guys, it's Shreya here and welcome back to my channel Beauty and the Code. आज के वीडियो में I'm going to be reviewing this perfume called as Creamy Biscuit from Ministry of Gourmand from the House of Paris Corner. Ministry of Gourmand has been coming up with gorgeous gourmand fragrances which are like bakery and cake inspired and all of that. The bottles do have some resemblance with House of Siage bottles, but this one is duping Les Biscuit Chobord Maison de Parfum. I'm pretty sure I butchered that name, but I will leave the details right here. Let's begin with the review on this one. Before I do so, make sure कि आपने मेरे channel पे subscribe कर लिया, you've hit the bell notification and you follow me on Instagram. And now let's get started. Packaging on this one is another level. It comes in this gorgeous cardboard box with quality sticker mentioned here. It's a nice brown and golden combination. Creamy biscuit mentioned right here on the top with some texture, and also Ministry of Gourmand written right here. Now this is how the bottle opens. Like, oh my god, this is super cute. And then you reveal this golden box inside with perfume sitting right here. Pulling the perfume out, this is how the perfume bottle looks like. Do you see the packaging shebang here? Like, it's super gorgeous. This looks like a cupcake right here, and this cap here is quite bold and a little bulky. Again, has some rhinestones on it, which kind of like looks very cute. And then this is how the bottle cap opens to reveal the atomizer. Giving it a good spray. This is how the sprayer is. Diffuses the product really good. Now, this perfume belongs to a true gourmand family. This is a coconutty biscuit vanillic sweet fragrance, which literally feels that it is fresh out of the bakery. Like, you can imagine a tray on which you were cooking these coconut cookies and you just freshly baked them and you're like taking it out from the oven. That gush of heat, those freshly baked cookie fragrance, the coconut shavings mixing up with that bakery smell, that sweetness, all of it enwrapped together in this fragrance. To my nose, I do get a roasted nutty feel also in this fragrance. I also get a coffee nuance in this fragrance, but it's not mentioned in the notes. The nose breakdown is pretty simple on this one. Opens up with the note of biscuit, mid notes of coconut, and then goes into vanilla and tonka bean. Now the note structure seems a little simpler, but to my nose, I get a lot more nuances to what is mentioned here. Like, I get a roasted coffee bean note in this, which kind of like lingers on my skin. I also get distinct nuttiness, which also is not mentioned here, but I think it's the tonka bean which is kind of bringing that effect in this perfume. This is through and through gourmand fragrance. It's super sweet. Only if you like those very sweet, fresh out of the bakery, French patisserie kind of perfumes, you are going to love this one. Let's talk about the performance on this one. Around 7 to 8 sprays of this perfume gives me 8+ hours. This is a long lasting perfume on me, especially on my clothes. On my skin, it lasts for about 5 hours, but on my clothes, this one is 8+ hours, easy 8+ hours. It is a projective fragrance and also fills the room if it is like a close vicinity. Like, I was driving car and that time I had worn this fragrance and my entire car was smelling like a fresh biscuit, and my friend happened to ask, like, where are we getting this barista fragrance from? Like, are you carrying some biscuits in your purse and something like that? And then I was like, nope, it's me. It's my perfume. It's what I'm wearing today. And she got so excited because she also loves sweet fragrances, and she took a note from me. Okay, I'm going to order this fragrance for myself. This is a definite compliment getter for people who like sweet fragrances. There is no age restriction on this one. I think 25+ can rock this one. In fact, this feels like a warm hug. So if you're of any age, you're going to love this. This is warm, cozy, feels like a warm hug. It literally feels like it is super comforting. Literally feels like the comfort of dipping the coconut cookie in a chai and eating it. Like, that's the kind of comfort level that you're getting with this. However, Fragrantica says that this is inspired by some other fragrance, but to my nose, I also get like an inspired version of Sol de Janeiro's Cheirosa 71 from this perfume. It does have, like, in the air, it does have that similar vibe of that, you know, that Brazilian nuts that are roasted with caramel. This one does give me a feel which is similar to Chirosa 71 for some reason. And Chirosa 71 and this one layers really well. They just complement each other, and that mist and this perfume is a perfect gourmand layering combination in my opinion. I purchased this one from Paris Corner, India. I have a non-affiliated discount coupon code if you're interested in buying. I am someone who's a sucker for vanillic, sweet, bakery-like fragrances, and this one has become one of my top gourmand fragrances to wear. I am not able to put this fragrance down. Like every time I'm stepping out, I just want to douse myself with this fragrance. This is super comforting, perfect rainy and winter season fragrance. It's superb to be worn during evening and nighttime if you want to wear it during summers. It can be a little cloying, so during summers, go easy on the number of sprays. I find this to be a super romantic fragrance. I love wearing this for dinner dates, and when I wear this, my partner cannot stop sniffing me. Now, some people on the internet have said that they get a green synthetic note. In my bottle, I did not get that. I think this is well macerated already. Like, I did not have to keep it for maceration for a very long time. But to my nose, I don't get any green synthetic note in this. Perfumes are very subjective, so I am looking forward for what is your opinion on this perfume if you already have used it. I am very happy with this new gourmand in my collection and a definite 10 out of 10 for me. Love the pricing on this one, love the overall vibe that this one gives, and I am a sucker for sweet fragrances and this one has not disappointed. So that's my overall review. I hope that you enjoyed watching this review. If you did, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell notification, follow me on Instagram, and I'm gonna see you very soon in my next video. Bye!